Akad nikah merupakan sebuah ikrar yang luar biasa. Langit ikut bergema melalui turunnya keberkahan berupa air hujan pada pagi hari ini. Dan malaikat pun turun mendoakan sebangsa insan yang mengucap ijab kabul pada hari ini.
That I'm still breathing, I'm hopeless now. I'd climb every mountain and swim
Dengan
every
menyebut nama Allah,
ocean
aku nikahkan dan kawinkan
just to be
anakku
with you.
Tamara Kaidasani Daud dengan Armada Kerinci Putra bin Muhammad Dubas dengan mas kawin berupa 1 setel emas dengan berat yaitu 14,3 gram dan seperangkat alat sholat dibayar tunai.
Saya terima nikahnya Tamara Kaidasani Daud binti Abi Daud dengan mas kawin tersebut.
There goes my ocean, you are the reason my heart keeps bleeding, and I need you now. If I could turn back the clock, I'd make sure the light defeated the dark. I'd spend every hour of every day keeping you safe, and I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. I don't wanna find no more. I don't wanna hurt no more. I don't wanna cry no more. Come back, I need you. The reason. Closer, just a little closer. Come a little closer. I need you to hold me tonight. I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. 'Cause I need you to see that you are the reason.